Hey guys, what's up? So tell me showing top hit shirt keys 5 to 11 up to 15. The first suite's called Badger, version 1.2.1. Notification badges re-imaged. Alright, next suite's called Dahlia Delay OTA Tools. We have a Twack Up GUI version 2.0.2, safe and fast GUI utility for built-in devs, supports iOS 14 to 16. Tells you to view all packages and packages that are not dependencies of others, like a homebrew project. Alright, 3D app version spoofer, supports iOS 12 to 15.7.2, allows you to pretty much fake your app version to like an older version of an app that you had before, or that's in the App Store. So for example, let's say you update your app instead of actually downgrading the app to the actual version, and let's say a feature was removed with the updating to the latest version of the app, you can try to get that feature back by actually just using this tweak by spoofing its app version. Alright, we have Stalky, and you can check your friend's recent status and profile picture updates on WhatsApp using Stalky. So these features right here you guys have. If you want to stalk your friends, this is the tweak to get. Alright, next is called CheckLock, Face ID and Touch ID for A11 devices with Checkmate based jailbreaks. Supports iOS 14.3 to 15.7.1. And it does not work in a non-jailbroken state. Keep that in mind. Next is called Xinaa15 on Universal Audio Visualizer for iOS. And we have iSwipe by one of the developers, Karen, which is the developer of Maps and Unified. So type words by swiping across the keyboard. Alright, we have internal FB icons, also by Karen. And this is Facebook app icons used in 8 different Facebook icons. Alright, we have Power App version 6.1. And what this suite does, it allows you to reboot, shut down, respring, and more easily supports iOS 8 to 15 and up. So it gives you these suites right here.